Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, August the 25th, 2023. Almost weekend, yes, last working day. In this newspaper, we have two regular puzzles. The first one I've already solved, the medium Sudoku, and the second one is a tectonic, aka JigsawSudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And I've told you in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news? Well, yesterday we won the gold. Yeah, Femke athletic woman has won the gold medal for 400 meters, the hurdles, yes, in Budapest. Well, we are proud for her, yeah. Proud, yeah, we are very proud with the gold medal, the first gold medal in athletics. All right. JigsawSudoku number 6981. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. Well, let me do this here. The printed digits here, I believe there are 20 printed digits. 20 printed digits. It's a 9 by 11 JigsawSudoku. 20 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 20. Should be I think a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if I can manage to solve this within 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question, do we see here single box or box as well? I see 4 single box. Single box is always a 1. Single box here, also a single box, there single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2? Well, I see here only 1 dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can't be a 1 anymore, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? Nope. Do we have here triple boxes then? Let me see if we have here triple boxes. No triple boxes here. I see only 1 quarter box, contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, next. Oh, here we have also a quarter box, contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, more quarter boxes? No. Then the following step or strategy. Following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Need to recognize, yes, those shapes. The first shape that we need to recognize is the T shape. Let me draw this T shape here. This one is upside down. Okay, let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, and that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright, do we have more T shapes? Yeah, this one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, and that box has the same number as this box. All right, then the following shape. How about in this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more? Here, the last one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Yeah. This one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. Then let me see. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So 2 numbers are left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. I think this box will be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, and now, well. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. Let me think here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. The 5 is in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for, in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, we go down. Okay, these are 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If it places a 2, yeah, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Alright, this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Okay. Well, this box can be a 4, and this box can be a 3, and this box can be a 4, and this box can be a 3. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. This box is also connected with that box, so 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So the final digit in this L-shaped area for number 2. Finish in 14 minutes. 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. It's definitely a 1-star Jigsaw Sudoku. and we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.